The Happy Prince was written by Oscar Wilde in 1888. In this fairy tale, the author shows that external beauty is not important. Kindness, love, and the ability to feel the sorrows of others is what real beauty is all about. High above a city stood a statue of Happy Prince. He was covered in gold. He had bright sapphires for eyes. A red ruby shone on his sword. Everyone in the town admired him. One night, a little swallow who was flying to Egypt flew over the city. He rested between the happy prince's feet. As he fell asleep, a drop of water fell on him. He looked up and saw that the statue was weeping. "Who are you?" the swallow asked. "I am the happy prince," said the statue. "Then why are you weeping?" asked the swallow. "Far away in a little house, I can see a poor lady crying because her little boy is ill with fever. He wants oranges, but his mother has no money. Little swallow, can you take her the ruby from my sword?" "I must go to Egypt," the swallow replied. "Please stay here and be my messenger for one night. Help that boy and his poor mother." The little swallow agreed. He picked the ruby from the prince's sword, flew to the poor lady's house, and placed it on the table. The next night, the little swallow told the prince that he was leaving for Egypt. "Can you stay with me for one night more? Across the city, I can see a hungry young writer trying to finish a story. He is too cold and weak to write any more. He needs money. Can you pluck out one of my eyes made of sapphires and take it to him?" "I cannot do that," cried the swallow. But the happy prince was firm. The swallow plucked out the prince's eye, flew to the young man's room, and dropped the sapphire on his desk. The young man was overjoyed when he found it. The next day, when the swallow got ready to leave, the prince asked him to stay one more day. He told the swallow of a little barefoot girl who needed money. He asked the swallow to pluck out his other eye and give it to her. The swallow agreed to stay another night but refused to pluck out the prince's eye as it would make him blind. But the prince ordered the swallow to do as he was told. The swallow plucked out the prince's other eye and put it on the little girl's palm. Then the swallow told the prince that since he was blind, he would stay with him forever. The prince asked the bird to fly over the city and report what he saw. The swallow flew over the city. He saw the rich people in the beautiful homes while poor beggars and hungry children sat at the gates. When the prince heard this, he told the swallow to take off the gold on his body bit by bit and give it to the poor. The swallow picked off the gold pieces till the happy prince was bare. After that, the swallow never left the prince. When they died, an angel took the swallow and the prince's heart to the garden of paradise so that the little swallow and the kind prince could live there happily forever.